Hello friend, we'll be leaving Jalukie right now. It's really hard to say goodbye, but
But
it's
never be.
it's never be. What happened to you? Yeah.
It's
Apa lagi? Ano yung
not
kulatan?
the end of the world.
This is
So
not the end of the
we will
world.
surely meet again because the world is not flat but round.
Hey. So right now we are leaving Jalukie,
Yes.
and then
Soon
we
be
feel like
seeing you.
crying.
I feel like crying. The weather also is
The
crying.
weather is also crying.
Yeah.
Ano yung tutos yun?
Ayaw
Ayaw
mo
na Inay baw!
Inay, bye.
Inay bay!
Sawan nagtatarame.
Saranghe! Saranghe naman ako pilim to. Saranghe!
Sangkrang.
Saranghe ko na saranghe pwede ko soon.
Sarang
And then,
Sarang
what kalare?
Si Pemaran ba?
Si Bemaran ba?
Si Pemaran ko ba?
Si Bemaran ko ba? So bro, don't cry, okay? We'll be meeting you very soon.
Exactly.
Yeah. Hey, thầm mi cái không có mẹ. Mi cái solo tay rồi, ngủ bra ngủ cả. Ngủ bra. I can see your bra by my own eyes. So see you again.
We'll see you soon.
See you again. And we'll be seeing you very soon. Now I got Jalukie.
Yes.
Jalukie là thaka manu. Mai kan যাবো এতিয়া. লবে অলপ পিছে দিন দে. লগ পাবো. ঠিক আছে? After few days we'll be meeting you again. But
Am I looking handsome today?
you
my
look
God.
very handsome. And some may cry because you are
is
leaving
happening?
this world. Not this world, this town.
Mà nay tầm giờ lích thì dưới tầm mày này tao luôn chơi hiểu
I
với
like
bên
the
chỗ
meaning.
à bằng gì dưới chứ à
Không rồi. Đuổi cái này lùi bỏ không rồi.
chứ cái nó lottery
Thế tại thế tiêu cái đây. À bây giờ mà for sure kita này học long. Đi vào sao? Today we are here in the Terry Hotel. Haflong जाएंगे दिमापुर से Haflong जाएंगे we already came across some people on the way of the Nagaland of the is of the carrying a big bag, traveling along with a big bag. मामूली नहीं है अभी कहाँ पहुँच गया जगह भी पता नहीं है we don't know where we are. Finally we happen to face the problem. See, इसको निकल नहीं पा रहा है क्या करेगा बिना पेट्रोल किसे जाएगा फाइनली हाफलंग पहुंच गया अभी क्या खारू कि very tired by the grace of God we reach safely. Misui dele to gum na nui mai tara ga klum tau ga ja we stay da men ku ko dele titi am ba ga tre no titi lagau lu bam la